To the right.
To the right.
Okay, one more time. Okay.
Modern Ruts.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. You turn right a little bit over here.
So this way here.
Yes, this way here, and we will drive between these ribbons.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Okay. Hold on. We will stop again. Now we have to change this to 4L or 4 low.
Okay.
Okay. So now you have to change the transmission to neutral first. Step on the brake pedals and hold, and now you can press on the 4L buttons. Okay, now it's engaged the 4L already, so you can put on the drive. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and you can.
So this
Okay,
is
I will
the
turn on
low
this.
ratio, right?
Yes, low ratio. Yes.
Okay. And direct me.
Okay. And to release from the 4L, you have to stop and put on neutral again. And then now you don't have to push on this button, because now we will turn the drive mode back to the slippery mode. So you can just turn the knob to the left one more time. Okay, and it will shift out from the 4L and now it's in the 4S. Okay, transmission. Okay.
That's it, sorry.
Okay, no problems.
Okay.